español.
En inglés.
Ah, mira que tú.
En inglés.
Hello guys. We're gonna teach you today how to make a San Felipean style ceviche.
¿Cuál es el primer paso?
We're here in first of all, let me tell you, we're here in San Felipe in the wonderful beach of the Sea of Cortez.
Sí, ¿qué campo es este?
This is Campo Dani.
¿Cuántos
Villa Marina, I'm
kilómetros
sorry.
al sur de San Felipe?
I don't know how far down from San Felipe. We're like 15 minutes south of San Felipe. And today,
San Felipe Baja.
Baja California.
Baja
Too
California.
much information. I'm gonna make ceviche, please.
We need hacerle publicidad a San Felipe. Okay,
So basically, I'm gonna teach you how to make ceviche.
okay.
So first of all, we need good fish fillet. This is ¿qué es esto?
Curvina.
This is curvina. I don't know what this is in English. Do you know curvina? That's what it is. So we're here with our friends, Randy, his wife,
Elsie, Jack, Abby's down there.
Somewhere.
Alex is
Él también
over there.
saludó.
we have more friends here. Pastor Salvador,
Oh, yeah.
wife Diana, daughter Miriam, my daughter Mia, my other daughter Abby.
Oh, there she is. Come on away.
Say hello, Abby.
Okay.
Okay, so step number one, we're gonna dice the fish. First, we make thin strips, and then we dice it.
Okay.
Point out some rock, but I don't see it.
Muy bien.
That's step number one. Corta.
Corte.
Oh, I see.
¿Ya no?
So step number two is dicing onions. We have all the fish already diced and ready to receive the onions. So step number two is dicing the onions, and we're gonna do very fine dicing, like so. See, very fine diced onion. And what we're gonna do is put this.
Entonces estamos con el procedimiento de picar la cebolla finamente. Finamente. Alcanzan a mirar, ¿verdad? En este caso estamos usando cebolla morada, pero puede ponerle cebolla blanca, amarilla, del color que quiera. ¿Sí? Ahorita vamos a picar una cebolla y media para 1 kilo de pescado, de filete de pescado. Disfruten la vista.
Okay, so we're done with the onion. Now we're mixing it, and now we're gonna put salt, pepper, and garlic salt, or powdered garlic. Okay, that's the next step.
Para hacerlas así como que quieras
Then we're gonna mix.
Daddy, give me my water bottle. I need to. Mira, ya les hice juguetes.
To put lime into the fish. So we cut the top and the bottom off to make it easier to be able to squeeze the lemon, the
We didn't
limes.
think to bring a bucket or anything.
Yeah, we usually have like loads of those, but I don't know where.
¿Sí? A ver, enseña bien el limón otra vez. Por los dos lados está cortado.
We cut off the tip and the bottom.
Also,
Okay.
we have it because we receive a lot of family over.
¿Qué tanto limón se va a llevar para este kilo? No sabemos. Vamos a ver hasta que cubra el
So
limón.
we,
del
we
pescado.
gotta squeeze lime into it until it covers the whole fish. The lime needs to cover the fish totally, or the fish is supposed to be submerged in lime juice. Okay?
Bye. Mano de palo.
Yeah?
You got a business to support, kid.
Okay, so now as you can see, the fish is under lime juice. Not too much, just enough to cover it, completely soaked in it. And we're gonna leave it there to soak and cure for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes the most. And then we're gonna squeeze out the excess lime juice, okay?
Ya. Ok.
Roll.
Lo voy a cortar. Ah.
Okay, so now we have the fish marinating in lime juice. And while we wait, which is gonna take 15, 20, 25 minutes the most, we're gonna start preparing the rest of the vegetables. We have cucumber, celery, carrot, tomatoes, and mango to make a tropical ceviche, okay? So we're gonna dice everything. We're gonna start preparing everything to pour it into the marinated fish.
Cortarlo finamente.
And we're gonna dice everything fine dicing, okay?
Sí.
Okay, so right now we cut the inside of the cucumber. Yeah, the seeds, we pulled them out. So now we are left with just the whole cucumber, and we're gonna dice it, thin dice. Okay, so now I finished with the celery, I finished with the cucumber, and I'm starting with the tomatoes. Again, we're dicing finely, okay?
Zanahoria también.
Oh, and we also have here carrots.
Okay. Entonces está. Y estamos aquí trabajando el mango. Oh, disculpen mi español.
Diced the tomatoes. Now we're gonna dice the mango.
Mango.
The mango can be diced in larger chunks. Okay, so now this is the last ingredient we're gonna put into our ceviche, which is cilantro.
El rabito, si quieres, no sé.
We washed.
Spinach.
No, this is cilantro. This is not spinach.
This is cilantro, guys.
Hey, your hands are dirty, mommy.
Hay que borrar esto. Bueno, finalmente estamos picando el cilantro. Sería el
Yeah.
último ingrediente. ¿Vale? Okay, ¿qué sigue?
Okay, so now we finished with all the vegetables. Now
Ya tenemos todas las verduras picadas. Bien
we're
picadas.
gonna squeeze out the lime juice out of the fish.
Si quieres usar este.
¿Y dónde tiro el limón?
No importa, lo podemos
Bag of crisps.
echar aquí. ¿Qué quieres hablar?
There might be.
Estamos en el procedimiento de sacarle todo el limón. Ok, no se lo vamos a dejar el limón. A ver, dilo en inglés.
So we wanna take out all the lime juice so it doesn't make the fish sour. We wanna make sure the ceviche has a good flavor, and the lime might give it a sour flavor. So that's why we remove the lime juice, like so.
Ok.
Yeah.
Hola, Mia. How are you? You having fun?
I'm pressing the fish to try and squeeze out most of the lime juice. Look.
Hola.
See?
Mira todo el limón que está saliendo. Es el limón y el exceso de agua que aún pueda traer el pescado, ¿no? ¿Sí?
What's your name?
Va seco.
Ya no, ya
100%,
estamos medio secos.
ya.
Okay. So once I squeeze out all of the lime juice, I pour it here,
Yeah, then,
Aquí va.
they're
and then
Agárrale toda la...
got more hair than he has.
And then-
And he's got a lot of hair.
I am going to pour in all of the
She is, okay.
pre-prepared vegetables. Now, don't worry about my hands. I have washed my hands every step of the way. I dice and slice something and I wash my hands. And that's what I did right now. So my hands are pretty clean, okay? No germs or bacteria coming into this ceviche. So now we mix the
En México
ceviche.
decimos poco veneno no mata. Ok.
Like you, yeah. Hola.
Qué bonito color. ¿Qué tal, eh?
And
Ahí va
at the end,
quedando, ahí va quedando.
voila. Nice.
Yeah.
Sí.
Okay, so now we mixed everything, the fish and all the vegetables completely mixed. And now we have here what we call in Mexico clamato.
A ver, deja ver.
Clamato. This is tomato juice.
Like 40 San dollars. Oh, really? Yeah, they're gonna start.
Okay.
Clamato, this is tomato juice, which is a prepared tomato juice. Now we're gonna pour. This is 473 milliliters. 473 milliliters. We're gonna pour. ¿Qué tanto le vamos a echar?
Todo.
We're gonna pour the whole thing into it.
La compañía de Clamato debe pagar regalías por este video.
Yes.
Muy bien. Ahí va.
And then we mix it again. So as you can see, we squeezed out all the lime juice, but now we pour in tomato juice. So this will give it a great flavor and give it a great smooth texture to the fish.
Yeah, so he's 13 and
We
he's
rehydrated the fish, but now with tomato juice. After squeezing the lime juice.
Te falta un...
Okay, so now we're down to the last two ingredients.
He's a good boy.
This is hot sauce. This is Amor Picante hot sauce. Okay, we just pour a little bit, just to give it a little bit of spicy flavor. It doesn't have to be too much. We don't want this to be spicy hot. We just want to give it accentuate some of the flavors of the ceviche. But also, we're gonna put in ketchup into it. Okay, I'm gonna pour some ketchup. ¿Tú me dices tanto?
Well, so I'm the nice.
Okay, and then
That's the bit I didn't Ricardo, Elsie, Ricardo.
Ahora sí, aviéntale por
Yes, I'm the nice one.
that's it.
Now you can tell like
Sí, ahora sí.
And then we mix thoroughly.
Ya, ya.
No, actually,
all the way
Miriam,
around.
true story. When people come to San Diego and they stay with us, and they get a practical joke played on them, they always get upset with me.
Ok, va a probar. Va a probar total.
Like an app that you can download.
Okay.
But it's I was paying.
Very good. Very good?
Very good.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes. Sí.
People are concerned about that.
Exactly. So it really doesn't work.
Yeah?
And,
You like it?
It happens not.
Okay.
next.
No,
Fantastico.
don't lie. Don't lie. Say true.
Va a decir la palabra.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay. Que lo quiera con amor.
Que andaba toda.
No se ve bien, está rico.
Excelente. Sí, es que los meseros son bien raros.
Bueno,
Está la
vamos
gente.
a...